Hello, my name is Sheila Williams. I'm doing this YouTube 5-minute video for my CS87 Enterprise System Architecture Planning class. It deals with Zachman's framework. Zachman framework, according to what I have read in Zachman Framework 101 by a writer named Hannah Smalltree, deals with architecture. It is a framework for enterprise architecture developed by IBM in the 1980s. This framework is the engineering and manufacturing of an organization's enterprise. It provides an outline view for planners, owners, designers, builders, and subcontractors. In his framework, it shows a way to define an enterprise according to a 6x6 matrix of architecture documentation. The matrix columns ask questions such as the why, how, what, where, and when. The rows look at questions from different levels of detail such as conceptual, logical, physical, and detailed. Hiring vendors that understood how to communicate and what architecture and which tools needed for product development is paramount. No matter how complex the objects they were creating, vendors were able to deal with the complexity and any changes that occurred. The Zachman framework has been incorporated into many enterprise architecture frameworks all over the world. According to the Enterprise Architecture blog, the Open Group Architecture Framework is a framework for enterprise architecture. It provides a comprehensive approach to the design, planning, implementation, and governance of enterprise architecture. What is the value of enterprise architecture? According to the Enterprise Architecture blog, enterprise architecture is a strategic information asset to be used to shape the enterprise. Enterprise architecture is a tool for identifying opportunities to improve key enterprise metrics related to things like operational efficiency, IT costs, and customer satisfaction. It is the key to the understanding the current investment in IT and efficiently planning and directing future IT investment. Enterprise architecture helps achieve enterprise alignment, manage change, and reduce time to market. What is TOGAF framework? According to the Enterprise Architecture blog, TOGAF models the enterprise at 4 levels: business, application, data, and technology. TOGAF includes a methodology for defining IT in terms of a set of building blocks. It contains a set of tools, vocabulary, recommended standards, and list of TOGAF compliant tools. What is an enterprise architecture roadmap? What kind of information does it contain? According to Enterprise Architecture blog, an EA roadmap describes the current and target architecture and a transition plan to achieve this target state. An EA roadmap should include the business, application, data, and technical architecture for each state. What is an architecture vision? What information does it contain? According to the architecture blog, the architecture vision is created during the project initiation phase of a project. The purpose of the vision is to agree from the start what the desired outcome should be for the architecture. The architecture vision is the enterprise architecture's elevator pitch. It needs to simply and powerfully sell the benefits of the proposed architecture to decision makers. It also needs to show how the proposed architecture will support business goals and strategy and stakeholder concerns and objectives. Typical, typical contents of an architecture vision are problem description, objectives, process descriptions, roles and actors, constraints, IT principles, architecture overview, mapping of the proposed architecture to processes and requirements. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.